Bottle-top Bill and his best friend Corky up on the hill. Let's watch them as they play and okay. Hooray!
The Adventures of Bottle-top Bill
and his best friend Corky.
Bottle-top Bill.
Here we are at Mrs Whistlehead's field, Bill.
And what a mighty fine day it is, Corky.
Just the right sort of day for an adventure.
Spot on, Corky. And today's adventure's called A Sheep in Wolf's Clothing. Just listen to that, Corky.
What, Bill? I can't hear anything.
Exactly. Peace and quiet. I think we're going to have a nice, relaxing day.
What was that, Bill?
It sounds like Mrs Whistlehead.
She doesn't sound very happy.
I hope nothing's wrong. Where is Mrs Whistlehead?
My sheep, my beautiful sheep.
What's wrong with your sheep, Mrs Whistlehead?
Half of them are missing.
Missing?
Where do you think they've gone, Mrs Whistlehead?
They wouldn't go anywhere on their own. Someone must have taken them.
But who would take your sheep, Mrs Whistlehead?
I bet it's that great wild woolly. He's up to his tricks again.
We thought the great wild woolly was on holidays.
Then he's holidaying with my sheep.
Don't worry, Mrs Whistlehead. We'll get your sheep back to you.
Thank you, Bill and Corky. I do hope you get them back.
We'll start looking right away.
Come on, you poor things. Let's feed you.
Do you really think it was the great wild woolly, Bill?
I don't know, Corky. It's a mystery.
But solving mysteries is our specialty, Bill.
Right, Corky. We need to look for clues.
Magnifying glass.
Exactly, Corky. This will help us find anything that looks suspicious. Whoa!
Have you found something suspicious, Bill?
I found a monster, Corky.
A monster?
It's got great big googly eyes and big spots on it.
Let me look. Bill, this monster with the googly eyes and big spots, does it have 6 legs as well?
That's it, Corky.
It's not a monster, Bill. It's just a little beetle. The magnifying glass makes it look bigger.
So it does.
There you go, little fellow. Try again, Bill.
Right.
Can you see anything else?
Yes. Look at this footprint, Corky. That could be the great wild woolly's print.
I don't think so, Bill. This is a paw print, and the great wild woolly has hooves. Look over there, Bill. What's that stuck to the fence? It doesn't look like sheep wool.
Correct, Corky. It's dark fur.
That means the great wild woolly can't possibly have taken Mrs Whistlehead's sheep.
That's right. His wool is white.
So if it's not the great wild woolly's, then whose fur is it?
Let's look at the clues. The paw prints on the ground, the dark fur on the fence. It can mean only one thing, Corky.
Which is?
Mrs Whistlehead's sheep have been taken by a wolf.
A wolf?
Did you say my sheep have been taken by a wolf?
No need to get alarmed, Mrs Whistlehead. Everything's under control. Isn't it, Corky?
I hope so.
But what if the wolf comes back tonight and takes the rest of my sheep?
Don't worry, Mrs Whistlehead. We'll protect your sheep from the wolf, won't we, Corky?
Yes, we will.
Oh, wonderful. I'll sleep a lot easier now.
How are we going to protect the sheep from the wolf, Bill?
We'll set a trap.
A trap? Do you think that's a good idea?
Of course it is. No wolf's going to get the better of us, Corky.
I hope you're right, Bill. What's this, Bill?
Our secret camp, Corky. We'll hide inside our tent.
But won't the wolf see the tent?
No, it's got special camouflage to disguise it.
It'll be pretty cold out here at night.
Don't worry, Corky. We've got 2 cosy sleeping bags to keep us warm.
But how will we see the wolf in the dark?
With this extra powerful torch, Corky.
All we need now is a way to catch the wolf.
And I've got just the thing. Anyone who comes into the sheep paddock will walk into these ropes.
Then what happens?
Then that net will fall and trap him. And the pots and pans will tell us he's been caught. It's one of the best traps ever. Keep your eyes peeled, Corky. Someone's out there. I know it.
Who do you think it is, Bill?
I'm not sure.
Then let's go out and check. Oh, it's just an owl, Bill.
Oh, hello, Mr. Owl.
We thought you were a wolf. What was that?
I think it might be the wind rustling the trees.
Are you sure, Bill?
Positive.
That's not the wind, Bill.
You're right, Corky. It's not.
It looks like a wolf to me, Bill, and it's coming to get us.
Wait a minute. That doesn't sound like a wolf.
It's Timmy!
What are you doing here, Timmy?
No wolf's going to bother us while Timmy's around.
Come on, Timmy.
Is it morning already, Bill?
It sure is, Corky. And no sign of that wolf.
Good morning, sheep. I hope you slept. Sheep!
Mrs Whistlehead.
My beautiful sheep have been taken by the wolf. Bill! Corky! Where are you?
We're up here, Mrs Whistlehead.
We'll be right down. Timmy, can you undo the rope?
You were supposed to protect my sheep from the wolf. Now all my sheep are missing.
Don't upset yourself, Mrs Whistlehead. We'll get your sheep back.
I do hope so.
You go and have a lie down, Mrs Whistlehead. We'll have your sheep back in no time.
How are we going to find the sheep, Bill?
If only we had a way to follow the wolf's trail.
I've got an idea. We could use Timmy. Dogs have powerful noses. He can smell which way the wolf went.
Right. Here, Timmy. Over here, boy. Whoa, steady on, Timmy.
Here, Timmy, follow this trail.
Good work, Corky. Let's follow that dog. Look out for that tree, Corky. Good jump, Corky. What's the matter?
I can't see Timmy anymore.
What about those bushes?
He might have gone there.
Let's take a look.
Hang on, Bill.
Well, he wasn't in the bushes.
Any sign of him anywhere, Bill?
He's at the top of that big hill, Corky. Do you think you can make it?
I'll try, Bill.
Blimey, down. He's gone again.
I hope we haven't lost him too.
What was that?
It sounded like sheep.
Look, Corky.
It's Mrs Whistlehead's sheep.
And the wolf's there too. And Timmy's after him.
He's caught the wolf, Bill.
What a good dog. Paint me pink. It's the great wild woolly.
Disguised as a wolf.
I might have known. That wily woolly. He's tricked us again, Corky.
He's getting away, Bill.
Let's get after him.
The woolly's too fast for us, Bill.
But at least we found all Mrs Whistlehead's sheep. Well done, Timmy. You're our hero.
You can run back to the farm. We'll follow on with the sheep.
Right, sheep, on we go. Do you hear me, sheep?
They don't seem to want to go, Bill.
I know, Corky. I'll pretend to be the wolf. That'll get them moving.
Great idea, Bill.
I'm the great wild wolf. Follow me, sheep.
Why won't they follow you dressed as the wolf, Bill?
I don't understand it, Corky. They followed the great wild woolly dressed as a wolf.
That's it, Bill. You need to pretend to be the great wild woolly, pretending to be the great wild wolf.
Corky, you're a genius. Follow me, sheep.
You make a great wild woolly, Bill.
My beautiful sheep. You're home. The wolf. He's trying to take my sheep again.
Oh no! Timmy thinks you're the wolf too.
No, nice doggy. Timmy, it's me, Bill. No, Timmy, it's me.
Bill, take the wolf suit off.
I can't, Corky. It's stuck.
Why is Bill dressed as the wolf?
The woolly tricked us by dressing up as a wolf and taking your sheep.
It all sounds very confusing.
It was, but at least your sheep are back, Mrs Whistlehead.
When you're right, Corky, you're right.
No, Timmy, it's me, Bill.